All right, guys, so we're back. I'm recording the same day I recorded the Ryobi sprayers, the same car, and I didn't think I was gonna need any record anymore, but I thought I might as well make another video on a product that I want to review that I haven't reviewed, and this is my second bottle actually, but I've never reviewed it because I didn't have a car ready to review. I don't know, whatever. I had an excuse, whatever. But the car is already washed, wet. I mean, it's still wet right now. I'll have to re-wet it right now because we're in the sun, but. We're going to be reviewing Quivers Hot Coat from Josh. So shout out to Josh V. This is my second bottle that I bought. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the hydrophobic before and afters really, because this panel, I only use bead maker on this car. It's my dad's car and it didn't do that great. It's already failing. So I'm going to show you guys up close. We're going to spray and rinse off on this panel. We're going to actually just do like my drying aid on this one, and then show you guys kind of the best results, I guess. I don't know. So I'm going to wet the car first so you guys can see the hydrophobics right now and like see that it's actually kind of failing on me. Let me bring the camera down here a little bit. So here we go. I want to spray this panel. See how it's kind of just like sheeting? It doesn't really have the hydrophobic properties anymore. They're just kind of sheeting off. So I'm going to use hot coat. Like I said, spray and rinse off on this side. On the left, on the right door, I'm gonna make sure I actually do it as a drying aid. So the left side, like I said, we're gonna do a spray and rinse. We're gonna go ahead and give it one spray. Okay, it's not really. There we go. It wasn't really coming out. It sounded like it, but no liquid was actually coming out. All right, so we're gonna let that sit, and we're gonna spray upwards. So we're gonna spray from down up, so it kind of spreads the product out throughout the panel. And then this side we're going to do as a drying aid, and then we'll do the before and after hydrophobics. So I want to let that sit on there 5-10 minutes. You can kind of see a little bit of teal hint to it though. Oh, I do want to say, since I have used this product already, if you use a white microfiber towel to rub this in, the towel does turn teal. I noticed that because I used the white Mr. Everything towel that I had, and I just used it one day, and I seen the towel when I washed it, it was like, wait, it's still kind of teal. So it will stain white, for me at least, I don't know. It will stain like white microfiber towels, just to let you guys know. So I'm gonna spray from bottom to top. And then rinse down. Bring you guys closer. Boom, look at that. It's falling off, no more sheeting anymore. There you go. So that's left side. So now we're gonna do this side, which you guys can see the before real quick. Kind of flat right there, still sheeting. Flat, right? So hydrophobic properties. Flat sheeting. So we're gonna go ahead and use a drying aid on this one. Yeah, we'll use this towel right here. This is actually from the rag company, the gauntlet towel. So spray on there, maybe little sprays like that, and then we're gonna dry it off. I personally use like a big towel and spray on a decent amount of panels, and then I actually go back and finish like little touches on maybe some spot I don't think spread the product out enough. The spray and rinse is cool for when you're at the house and you have a lot of water available, but when you're a mobile detailer, you can't really be spraying and rinsing. So I know a lot of people love Gion Wet Coat, but that's one of those products that you have to spend a lot of extra water on, right? So yes, it might save you on time, but you're gonna be using a lot more water. So you guys can see the panel's dry, and we're gonna go ahead and see the hydrophobic properties on this. Look at that. Look at the beads on that. I think it's better like this. What do you guys think? Better? Okay, I don't think I sprayed it on here because look at that. It's still kind of sheeting right there. Let me get a quick little. Let me hit a little spray on there, and we're gonna do a little spray and rinse on this top panel. It's still kind of sheeting a little bit. I think because of the angle maybe, or maybe I need to clay that surface. I'm not sure. Yeah, yep, definitely need to clay that. I can feel it right here. The contamination's a little, I could feel it with my fingers. It feels like if you put your hands on salt and pepper on the table, has that feeling to it. So, all right, guys, that was pretty much a quick little video, pretty much demonstrating this. So this right side is a drying aid, I guess you could say. Boom. And then this side right here was the spray and rinse. You know what? I'm kind of, the spray and rinse feels like it worked better coverage wise rather than spraying and wiping it on. Because I feel like when you spray it, it is true, it kind of disperses or kind of spreads the product out when you spray from the bottom down, or from the down to top, from bottom to top. Yeah, bottom to top. I feel like it spreads actually better than this one. I feel like you have to spray on the actual surface and make sure it actually touches. So yeah, that's kind of my thoughts. I don't know, actually what would be better. Again, I don't think I can do this mobile detailing wise, like spraying and rinse, because I only have a 30-gallon tank. If you had a 100-gallon tank and only doing like 2 clients, it's possible, but again, you have to use more water if you do a spray and rinse method. But if you're a DIYer, you do it at your house, then I think spray and rinse is definitely the easier method, because you just have to dry or spray it and then rinse it off without having to like not care about the water, I guess is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I don't know what I just dropped. What do I find out? But yeah, overall, guys, Josh's Quivr hot coat, a big fan. And this on like black cars, it makes it pop. I'm not gonna lie, it's really, really nice. This car is gonna do pretty decent actually too, because it's like a nice silver, like kind of I don't know, it's like silver. It pops. It makes the cars pop, adds that gloss, adds hydrophobic properties, gives it that little bit of protection in there as well. Like 3 months, I think it claims 3 months. So yeah, guys, again, this is my second bottle. I really like it. If you buy the gallon, it's $40, $50. It's $10 more than Technician's Choice Detail Spray. So let me get it real quick. So if you go ahead and get, dropping everything. So if you go ahead and get Technician's Choice, this is, I bought this from the House of Rags Black Friday sale. If you're watching this, go pick this up. $25 for the gallon is amazing value. And then the Quivr hot coat for the gallon is $50. So it's $10 more for the gallon. Is it worth the $10 extra? I mean, I left a scent on this one. I've never actually used Technician's Choice at all, so I can't even, you know what? I'm not even going to say if it's better, because I haven't used it. I'm not going to lie. I've never used it. I have this gallon. I have a 16-ounce bottle. I've never used them. I've been using Beadmaker and Josh's hot coats, only 2 ceramic spray sealants I've ever used. So I can't really give you my real opinion yet if it's worth that extra $10 for the gallon. For me, Technician's Choice is just easier to pick up. Every detail shop has this. Not every detail shop has this, besides like, you know, Detailer Supply and Escondido from Josh. And I think that's basically it. So maybe the H2O Detail, maybe we'll start stocking them soon. I'm not too sure. But again, I still like it, supporting Josh. Go pick yourself one up. If you're going to get anything from Black Friday from House of Rags, go pick this up. Show love to Josh if you've been a fan of his, but obviously the GOAT right here too. So pick your poison. Again, I'll do a review on this as well soon. Maybe do a side-by-side feature comparison. But for me, I got to make sure I dry the rest of this car because it's hot. I'm using hose water. It's Thanksgiving. I need to go eat in a bed and shower. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.